Hey everyone, I know in one of my earlier videos I said how much I love this site, mathsalamanders.com. It's like one of my favorite finds since this quarantine time started. I just think some of their questioning is higher level, gets you thinking. It has puzzles, it has games that you can play with your family. So I'm a big fan. I emailed them and told them I was a big fan. So I wanted to show you this puzzle. It's called Newton's Crosses Puzzle. This is a fifth grade level. A lot of my videos, I've started kids out at the younger, like fourth grade level. And then if they like the puzzles, they can build themselves up. So I'm doing this one at a fifth grade level. So the directions say write the numbers here. There are 6 numbers listed in the correct place so that each line of the cross adds up to 3. So this is sort of like a magic square, but instead of it being a square, we're at a cross. And it tells you right here, well, you know, my pen isn't going to be ready for you. It tells you right here that the total must be 3. So starting with the first one, I'm going to start playing around with the numbers. And I think a big key here is going to be getting that number in the middle and knowing what it's going to be. So right now I'm going to start by looking for 3 digits that add up to 3. And I think before I started this video, I was trying. So let's see if I remember. 2 and -6. Actually, I'm just going to come to the side. I think I have to do it down here. -6 plus 2 gives me -4. That's not going to work, is it? So let's try 2 plus -4 gives me -2 plus 5. So I'm going to try that 2 in the middle. Ignore my dot. And then I'm going to put in -4 and a 3. No, -4 and a 5. Does that get me 3? Double check my work. Nope, I still did something wrong, didn't I? 2 and -4 makes -2 plus 5 is 3. Okay, so we're maybe on the right track, but I might end up being wrong. So I'm going to cross those numbers out temporarily. And now I'm going to see if adding the other digits gets us to a 3. So 2 plus, I'm going to put a 3 here, a 1 here, and a -6. Holler at me if you see that I'm doing something wrong. So now I have 3 plus 2 is 5. Ooh, plus 1 is 6. Plus -6 is 0. So that doesn't work. But if you see what I'm doing, obviously working on paper and pencil is going to be better than working on my screen. You might have a different situation than me. See if you can get these to add up to 3 going both ways. And if you do, email me. And if you see a mistake in my work, let me know. But I think 7, 3, 5, 6. Yep. Maybe I did the wrong numbers, but you see what my thinking is. It's kind of a trial and error process, and you might figure out some things as you're going along that make it easier. So let me know if you can do the first one, and if you get the second one too, email me your answers. I'd love to see them.